all of you, yes.
Hello, hello everyone.
Hi.
I hope you are doing good.
Hi,
My
I'm
name is
good.
Stuti,
Hi,
and I
Stuti.
myself being a journalism student. I saw your Sabarmati report. It was so good. You were such a brilliant, you were so to the point as a journalist. So, how do you have prepared that role? You said you have worked in Zoom channel. So, did that help you, or what preparation or what you have done? Just wanted to know.
अब स्तुति आप कहाँ से कर रहे हो जर्नलिज्म?
Like from Delhi, like DU, Delhi University.
ओके ओके सो मैंने एक्चुअली क्या किया कि आई एम वेरी लकी. मेरे भाई और मेरी भाभी वो कुछ उस ज़माने में जब वो कॉलेज के बाद पास आउट हुए थे, दे वर वर्किंग इन एनडीटीवी. तो मैंने उनसे इतना पूछा कैसे काम करते थे, क्या करते थे, ऑफिस का एनवायरनमेंट कैसा था, बहुत. एंड आई हैव एन एज एन एक्टर वी ऑल टेंड टू बी वेरी वेरी अब्जॉर्बिंग. हम इंफॉर्मेशन बहुत जल्दी से अब्जॉर्ब कर लेते हैं और उसको ट्रांसलेट करना इज व्हाट आवर स्किल सेट इज. तो आई थिंक आई जस्ट यू एंड ऑल्सो माई टाइम इन जूम, क्योंकि टाइम्स नाउ हमारे ऑफिस से कनेक्टेड था, तो मैं टाइम्स नाउ भी बहुत जाती थी. तो आई न्यू दैट वर्ल्ड, आई न्यू कि जर्नलिस्ट कैसे होते हैं, वो कैसे बात करते हैं, बिकॉज आई हैड सीन इट ऑल्सो. सो दैट रियली हेल्प्ड मी. Also what I do is I keep reading and reading my scenes, and I ask a lot of questions. लोग ये बोलते हैं कि, and this is not just for actors, for anybody in life, कि anyone who asks a question is fool for once, but anyone who does not ask a question is a fool for life. So I am very happy to be a fool. मैं बहुत सवाल पूछती हूँ, and I don't mind looking like कि इसको क्या प्रॉब्लम है, कितने क्वेश्चंस पूछ रही है. आई आस्क यू 100 क्वेश्चंस, विच इज़ व्हाट आई डिड विद माय राइटर्स, मेरे डायरेक्टर के साथ एंड मेरे भाई और भाभी के साथ, कि बताओ मुझे और बताओ ये कैसे किया, वो क्यों किया, ऐसे क्यों किया. सो या दैट्स व्हाट आई डिड.
Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Alam, a student of
Hi,
DO.
Alam.
So my question is, what has been the most challenging role for you so far, and how did you prepare for it?
The most challenging role has been living this life. It's really the most challenging, honestly. And also I think up till, like I said, जब तक मैं जवान तक पहुंची, तो I was going with the flow. Okay, now stakes बढ़ गए हैं. Now it's like, now I think there is a challenge for me कि I want to do, because I think एक आप again आप एक position पे आ जाते हैं जहाँ पे what you do matters and how you do it matters. So I think the challenge for me is now कि where do I see myself going. अभी तक my journey has been pretty organic, it's been pretty on its own, जो हुआ है God ने किया है. But now I think God is asking me कि चलो wake up. Now your go with the flow has reached an ocean. Now you are in the big dark sea. So yeah, but I think it's mostly like we've been talking कि morals और conscious को संभाल के चलना is the biggest challenge. क्योंकि आप ego और power और इन सब चीज़ों में अगर घुस जाते हैं ना, it's very easy to forget where you come from, your roots. So for me, I think that's very important to keep it together.
Thank you, first of all, for having such a beautiful conversation on women, which you just did.
Always.
And I always got a support of women in my life, and with my best friend of 15 years, we have started even our clothing brand, Wear It.
Fantastic. More power to you. More power to you. What's your brand's name?
Wear It.
VR?
Wear It. We are even.
VR8.in. Okay.
Yeah.
Everybody go to VR8.in. And
So my question from you is that, like, we have seen all the transition of yours, in the career-wise. So as a woman, it's always difficult. There are additional challenges which one has to face to make their career. So what message or what you want to convey to all the women out there who have dreams to, reach at heights, but they are somewhere getting feared due to society or XYZ reasons. So what, as a woman, as a successful career film actress, what you want to convey to those women out there?
I think सबसे पहले तो congratulations यार to both of you for your endeavor. I hope you guys rock and send me also some clothes. So I think मैं सबसे बड़ी चीज़ जो बोलना चाहूँगी, you know, you guys are very blessed. You have each other's support, and like you said, you have women supporting you in your life. Not everyone has that. It's not क्योंकि कोई support नहीं करना चाहता, but women themselves are very nurturing, and वो हमेशा दूसरों को अपने ऐसे आगे रखती हैं, और वो एक दूसरे को हमेशा यही बोलती हैं, उसके बारे में सोच, उसके बारे में सोच, ये ऐसे कर, नहीं थोड़ा, you know, ठहम ठहम जाओ, या you know, even शादी में they'll tell a bride, don't laugh too much, don't smile too much, you know, it's always the case. I think I would just like to say to every girl, every woman that अपना फोकस अपने पर रखो और अपने पे विश्वास रखो, एंड फाइनेंशियल इंडिपेंडेंस को इम्पोर्टेंस दो. दैट विल हेल्प यू स्टैंड एनीवेयर इन लाइफ. अपनी जो आइडेंटिटी है ना, आई नो दिस इज वेरी डिफिकल्ट टू से, यू नो, हम जितने लोग यहाँ हैं, आप लोग तो घर से बाहर आए हैं, यू हैव पीपल सपोर्टिंग यू, लेकिन देर आर लॉट्स ऑफ पीपल जो घर से बाहर ही नहीं निकलते हैं, जहाँ पे द रेशियो ऑफ मेन टू विमेन इतना ज़्यादा है, मैं ना, लाइक इट्स 10-1. How do they step out? So it's very important, A, to have self-respect, B, to have very clear principles. For a woman, for a girl to step out in the world, मुझे लगता है principles होना बहुत ज़रूरी है. Because अगर आप में वो clarity होगी, आप अपने, आपके घर वाले भी आपको थोड़ा respectfully देखेंगे कि अच्छा, she's got a vision for herself and she wants to do this, okay, we will support her. You can't be all over the place, you know. अगर आपको लगता है कि, you know, if you think like I decided कि Delhi में I don't feel safe, I don't think I'll be able to, I did step out. I left my home, I left my cocoon. मेरे दोस्त यहाँ हैं, you know, my world is here. लेकिन I went to Bombay, you know, so you have to pay some price, I would say, and financial independence को बहुत importance देनी चाहिए to a woman. चाहे वो, you know, it's a small thing कि मैं volunteering कर लूँ कहीं पे, or anything, but community service, you should start like this and then you'll find your way.
Hi Riddhi, hi Nan. I'm Niharika.
Hi Niharika.
And I'm repeating Stuti's word, but I've seen Sabarmati report and you have done a brilliant job.
Thank you so much.
You were my favorite. I'm not saying this because you're sitting in front of me, but the kind of confidence you bring, like, हम सारे friends देखने गए और हम कह रहे हैं she's so beautiful, and the kind of confidence we need in life. You did
so
that,
much.
and you are a feminist and SRK lover. Same here. So my question is, pre-COVID and post-COVID audience बहुत different है. You agree? So पहले बहुत limited movie critics होते थे, but अब crores of movie critics are there. Cancel culture is going on, and it's basically कि it's very difficult कि कब किस बात पे offense लेके कब Twitter पे trend होने लग जाए कोई चीज़, we don't know. So do you think कि choice like this choice of script and everything उसमें आपको as an actor impact करता है, या कोई pressure additional add होता है because of this?
यार देखो, मैं हूँ दिल्ली की, अब आप शाहरुख को जानते हो, तो मैं भी दिल्ली की हूँ, मैं भी गुंडी हूँ एक. So आप मुझे ट्रोल करोगे, मैं आपको वापस ट्रोल करूँगी. I understand where you're coming from, because डर तो लगता है. There was, you know, बीच में वो हो गया था boycott Bollywood and all of that. It was very scary because ये लग रहा था कि यार as an artist हम काम ये करना चाहते हैं, लेकिन अगर हम कुछ बोलेंगे तो उसकी वजह से हमारा काम नहीं देखा जाएगा. That is a very helpless feeling. That I'll agree with. लेकिन you know, luckily I feel वो vibe वो चेंज हो गया है, वो कल्चर इतना अब रहा नहीं है, वो बॉयकॉट बॉलीवुड जो हो रहा था, इट्स डाइंग डाउन. अगर हम में टॉलरेंस नहीं होगी टुवर्ड्स आर्ट, दैट मीन्स दिस सोसाइटी इज अनसिविलाइज्ड.
Absolutely.
You know,
Absolutely.
it's very important for us to have museums, for us to have plays, for us to have film festivals, for us to have tolerance for all kinds of stories. So I walk that path, you know, थोड़ी fearlessness चाहिए उसके लिए आज की दुनिया में, which is very sad कि you know, एक फिल्म बनाने के लिए या OTT प्लेटफॉर्म पे काम करने के लिए मुझे fearlessness चाहिए. मतलब मैं क्या झंडे गाड़ रही हूँ ऐसा, I'm just entertaining, but yeah, you do need that, and I'm glad I have the audience which is supporting me like you.
Yeah.
Hi Nayan, hi Riddhi, I'm Sakshi.
Hi Sakshi.
Riddhi, first of all, you're looking really pretty today, and I saw you working in Asur as well as in
Yes, oh my
Badtameez Dil
God.
with Barun Sobti sir, a huge Barun Sobti fan by the way. So
I'll tell him.
thank you. So my question to you would be that I saw you working in Asur and in Badtameez Dil. Also saw you in televisions, acting in serials and daily soaps. So how has your journey been with Barun Sobti as an actor? And you guys are good friends, as we see on Instagram. And your journey from television to cinema and then to web series like Asur, which was one of the most greatest, I would say, web series of recent times that we have seen. So can you please answer that? And thank you so much.
Thank you so much for your question and for the appreciation. Means a lot to me, Sakshi. Actually, so Barun is मेरा भाई और वो best friends हैं. So Barun is like my family. My nephew calls him Mamu, you know, and बड़े मामा. मतलब it's like lot of love between all of us. So with Barun, I think it's like home, you know. मतलब उसके साथ I remember बदतमीज दिल shoot कर रहे थे और एक kissing scene tha, and I was like, Barun, kya kare? We didn't kiss in the show, but there was like this make out and everything, and he's like, soch mat, bas kar lete. You know, so that's the kind of vibe we share. But it's amazing to work with him. I'm waiting to work with him again, my journey, yaar, I feel really proud. I feel like मैंने बस life में chances लिए हैं, risks लिए हैं. I am all about risks. Honestly, मैंने कभी भी ये नहीं सोचा. I didn't ever think and see pros and cons. ये करूँगी तो ऐसा होगा. I never planned anything. उसकी वजह से maybe I've missed out on many things also, and maybe I've been able to do so many things because of that. Television मैंने जब छोड़ा था, उस टाइम पे OTT था नहीं. This is back in 2017-18, and I remember मुझे कॉल आया for मुकेश छाबरा के ऑफिस से for an audition, and that turned out to be असुर. And मुझे उन्होंने बताया इस शो में वरुण सोबती है, और मैं उस दिन we were partying, मतलब हम ब्रंच कर रहे थे और वरुण वहीं था. तो I said, ये क्या है, तू ये शो कर रहा है? He said, कर, you have to do it, it's a great show. So you know, that's how that happened. फिर जब मैंने असुर किया, तो आई रिमेंबर पूरी टीम ने मुझे बोला कि वापस टेलीविजन में मत जाना, वेट, यू आर अ ब्रिलियंट एक्टर एंड यू विल गेट योर ड्यू, डोंट गो बैक इनटू टेलीविजन. सो आई जस्ट लिसन टू देम. ऑल्दो असुर को आने में बहुत टाइम लगा. हमने 2018 में शुरू किया था काम और 2020 में आया लॉकडाउन में. एंड मेरा कुछ लक ऐसा रहा, असुर आया, लॉकडाउन हो गया. अगले साल मैरिड वुमन आया, फिर से लॉकडाउन हो गया. सो आई वॉज नॉट एबल टू सॉर्ट ऑफ यू नो मेक यूज ऑफ दैट हाई दैट आई गॉट, विच यू नो अदरवाइज आई वुड हैव डन इट. वो अपॉर्चुनिटीज़ में कन्वर्ट हो नहीं पाया. बट it's been a great journey. I feel really grateful to God, honestly. I feel like this is my journey with God. You know, she is taking me wherever they want to, and honestly, I'm just answering the call of my soul and the universe. That's all I'm doing.
Absolutely, and that's the motto behind doing this conversation at Jagran Film Festival also, because before I say a vote of thanks to you, I want to say a vote of thanks to Jagran Film Festival, because क्या होता है अक्सर ना हम भी एक division से deal करते हैं journalists. Usually for film festival, वो हमेशा ऐसे सीनियर जर्नलिस्ट को लेके आते हैं जो 20-25 साल के एक्सपीरियंस के साथ आते हैं. और एक प्रेशर था मेरे पे लास्ट ईयर जब मुझे लगा कि मुझे ये लोग, एंड आई वाज थिंकिंग कि मुझे क्यों बोला, मतलब यू नो, बिकॉज दीज ऑफर्स डोंट कम टू मी, because I'm a more fun-loving person according to people. I'm very serious and deep. तो मुझे लगा कि यार क्यों, तो मैंने इनको बोला भी था, यहाँ पे सब बैठे, राहुल सर भी बैठे, सर बैठे, सुनैना मैम बैठी है, कि यार मैं कर पाऊँगा. बट दे हैड द फेथ इन मी, सो थैंक यू. क्योंकि आज there's a huge power given to youth, and I represent all of you, so I hope that someday you guys will be here and I'll be watching your conversations and clapping for you. And similarly, thank you, Riddhi, because this didn't feel like an interview, it felt like a conversation. We were here to celebrate cinema, but we ended up celebrating cinema, men, women, Zindagi at large. So thank you so much for joining us at the Jagran Film Festival. We have a small token of love for you from Aroma Magic.
I love Blossom Kocher.
Yes.